Good morning. Welcome to September. It's September 1st and a little bit after 7 o'clock in the morning here. Currently standing on Saints Rest Beach down here at the Irving Nature Park, and looking forward to a little bit of a stroll around the park this morning. Weather outside is about 14 degrees, not barely a cloud in the sky really. A nice day, certainly a nice day for a little bit of a walk on the beach, and a beautiful day for a walk here in the Irving Nature Park. I'll say you can definitely feel that fall is just around the corner, but a beautiful day for hiking this morning, and certainly glad that you're able to join me for this first of the fall hikes. So let's go. I've always believed the park here to be one of the jewels of the city. Just having it here right on our doorstep is an incredible resource, and so well maintained, so nicely designed to begin with. The trails, the location right here on the bay, and even taking care of the little things like not just maintaining the trails and all of the washroom facilities and everything, but right down to barbecues and gas for the barbecues for families to enjoy. It really is a wonderful thing to have here in our city. As you can see, the park's been here for over 30 years now, dedicated in June of 1992. Now, I know Casey Irving was still alive then. He passed away in December of 1992, but I'm not 100% certain if he was involved in the dedication of this park or not. I suspect he probably was. There's been a lot of this area that was struck by either the spruce budworm infestation decades ago, or certainly severe storms along the coast here, but there's been a lot of work done in reforestation and planting new seedlings and everything, and it's nice to see that they're doing very well. sometimes lose sight of the fact when you're out here in the middle of the park that you're actually still right in the city, and in fact, right on a major shipping lane. Walking on the beaches here at the nature park is interesting because not only do the beaches look different, they actually sound different. The rock formations that make up the nature park are varied. Different types of rock, and various parts of the island would have been impacted by erosion differently depending upon if they were on the ocean side or the landward side, and as a result, the sound of walking on the beach is actually very different from beach to beach. What kind of bird could possibly live in here? Oh my God.
Meow.
It's a cuckoo bird.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Fancy meeting you here.
That's one of the nice things about the nature park, actually.
Yeah.
When you get out here, you have a nice walk and everything, but quite often you run into characters like this, my good friend Tom Anderson. And yeah, we ended up walking about the last half of it together right now. So about 10:30 right now. Nice day for a hike. And glad you were all able to join us. And we saw most of the park. And that's it for now. And as always, happy trails. Tom, you got any parting wise words?
Yeah, we'll have to do this again.
We'll have to do it again, 100%.